once this is set up, this is just a minor thing. It's got to be plugged into one of these.
All right, how's traffic? It's 172, 66 Golf. So we are doing
switched. If it's power's on, all you got to do is hit that to start it and to stop the video. That's it. And when you look at it, as long as the red light here is going, you see the red right there?
Yeah.
It's filming. And so the problem I have with mine, it's pretty good right now. We're 14 miles, so we'll call it 10. And now good luck finding it. So the one thing that you're going to find is grass strips are really, really, really hard to find. Okay, and do you know anything about where we're going? So you don't have one of these bad boys, do you? Oh, okay, so field elevation is... So you could do 1229 on the back. Get your CTAF on the back since you're here. Yeah, we'll plug that in. And it's 59 feet elevation, so you can pick a pattern altitude of 1,000 or 1,100, you pick. Okay, we'll start with the conservative 1,100 pattern altitude, okay?
Okay.
And you're going to fly a pattern just like any other pattern.
Hilliard doesn't have a plate in here.
A what?
A plate, a diagram. Or I haven't downloaded it, or it lost
it's a grass strip, so, but you got the runway, so you know it's 1836.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's good.
That's all there is to it there anyway. So.
And as long as you got the field elevation, now we're going to see where we're going off course, and we'll go full screen. And you're doing good. And little 01J. So you are right now 12 miles, so you should be at 3,600. What's 12 times 3?
36?
You should be at 3,600 feet. Are you at 3,600 feet?
No.
Okay. You don't have to be, but I'm saying but you got to make sure that we are clear of airspace. Are we?
Yep.
All right. So if you want to start a slow descent, you can do that. And then when you hit 10, you can say 10 miles south inbound. But don't forget switch over. Okay?
Yeah. I also wanted to get over this cloud first.
That's fine.
But I can still do a slow descent. Cabin heat not touching. Mixture is going to go full in.